Drones have become a transformative tool in the construction industry, offering substantial advantages alongside notable challenges and disadvantages. Their key benefits include rapid and accurate data collection, which allows for real-time project monitoring and decision-making. Drones improve safety by accessing hazardous or hard-to-reach areas, reducing the risk of injuries to workers. They also enhance efficiency and productivity, enabling quicker site surveys and progress tracking, which can lead to significant cost and time savings. Additionally, drones contribute to higher construction quality by providing precise measurements and comprehensive documentation throughout a project. However, the use of drones in construction is not without drawbacks. Regulatory flight restrictions can limit drone operations in certain locations or under specific weather conditions. Technical issues, such as sensor failures, require regular maintenance and can disrupt workflow. Managing and processing the large volumes of data collected by drones demands significant computing resources and skilled personnel. The initial investment in drone technology, including equipment, insurance, and training, can be high. Other challenges include privacy and security concerns, environmental considerations, and the need for public acceptance of drones on and around construction sites. In summary, while drones offer clear advantages in terms of efficiency, safety, cost reduction, and data quality, construction companies must navigate regulatory, technical, and operational challenges to fully realize their benefits. For more innovative solutions and business support, be sure to visit aggz.com